guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting off with my leave-in and detangler by Shea Moisture. I already have some in my hair from washing my hair in the shower, but I wanted a little extra, so I'm just going to add that in really quick. To seal that in, I'm using my Motion oil spray. It has argan oil, shea butter oil, and coconut oil. The gel we're using for our ponytail today will be the KC Caracal Gel Essence. The one that I have here is infused with extra virgin olive oil. Comparing this gel to others on the market, it only has a handful of ingredients. It's free of alcohol, formaldehyde, tetrasodium EDTA, my favorite, TEA, and sodium hydroxymethylglycinate. So here I'm just going to split the back portion of my hair, and I will be applying gel to the perimeter of that section. My favorite thing about this product is that it doesn't contain tetrasodium EDTA. This is a toxic gas and formaldehyde combo. It is used by lots of hair products as a chilting agent, and it's especially common in hair gels, especially the ones on the market that claim to be for natural hair and is organic. So be cautious. This is a known carcinogen. It can have reproductive issues. Studies have been linked to breast cancer. It also clogs your pores, aggravates acne, and it's just overall not good for your skin. After that section's done, I'm going to put my scrunchie on it to keep it out of the way. I'm going to start my middle part, and I will section off the middle of my hair on each side, kind of parting in front of my ear, and apply gel to the perimeter on both sides. Okay, time for the best part. We get to gel down the front now, and I'm just adding a generous amount to the front section and brushing it in. So this technique is really helpful, as you can see, because I've added gel throughout sections of my hair. My hair instantly lays flat to my head. As I'm rubbing it in, I'm just like feeling how slick it's making my hair, and I kind of really like it. I'm doing this to the other side, and it's like, my first time using this gel, so I'm really happy that not only are the ingredients really good, but it's actually getting the job done. Now I'm going to just brush that back into the ponytail, and we're going to take one of these Revlon elastics and just wrap it around. Now I'm adding some gel throughout the rest of my hair and adding some gel to my ends, and I'm going to brush it all in. This, moisturize your hair, and it also makes it easier to style. I prefer a braid because it definitely holds better than a twist, and it's easier to tuck and it won't unravel. Once you're done, you're just going to wrap that up into a bun and take the tail and put it underneath the scrunchie. Here's the ponytail that I got from Amazon. It is in the color 1B/27. I like the fact that it has the 1B in it, obviously, because my hair is dark, and it's going to give it that depth and dimension to blend in well with the blonde color. It has a drawstring and a comb at the top and the bottom. And now I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush out some of those curls so it's not so synthetic-y looking. Once you're done brushing it, take one comb, the side without the drawstring, attach it to the top of your ponytail, and attach the other comb, the side that does have the drawstring, to the bottom. So you want to pull it to tighten it and push the string up before you wrap it around the rest of your hair. I loop it at the top one time and then I just tie a bow underneath. Time to slay your edges, and I slay mine using the Sexy Hair Gel in the 9 Hard 10 Hold. I can literally be sweating and my edges will not move with this gel. Here's the final look. This ponytail blends well, looks natural, and doesn't move. I love this quick and easy style, and I hope you loved it too. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment if you tried out the Caramel gel. Bye!